friends, I'm Stacy.
And I'm Kevin.
And today,
we are going to
be free in the great state of Utah.
Okay, so we've traveled from Georgia to Utah for a long weekend.
Just a long weekend. And here's the thing, we've been living in our cottage because we're selling our house, which is our Class C, which is about, I'd say, 250 to 300 square feet.
It's a 31-foot Class C motorhome, which is decent size. However, you know, we're living in it now, so it's unique for sure.
But we've been thinking about for a long time doing and looking at possibly doing a van build, because if you know us, you know that we love to do all kinds of camping experiences. We have the rescue wagon, which is our cargo camper. We have our Class C. We've also been thinking about the whole van thing, which is why we're in Utah.
Yes, so we're going to a Van Build Expo today, where we get to see all kinds of stuff that are pre-manufactured that you can purchase, see stuff that people have done themselves. There's even stuff for sale that people have built and they're bringing here to sell. So we are super excited about exploring.
I'm really excited. I've been planning this for a long time and thinking about this for a long time. So I'm really excited, which is why we've traveled so many miles for just a long weekend. But you know what? Sometimes you gotta be free.
You gotta be free. And I'll tell you what, there's nothing like exploring the United States. There's so many beautiful parts. So we're really, really looking forward to this. So come along with us on this adventure as we decide whether we're going to eventually do a van build or not.
So while we're here, we're gonna do some other things too, because I love to plan all kinds of experiences and maximize every second when we're somewhere. So yes, we are definitely here for the Van Expo, but we're in Ogden, Utah, and there is a ton of other stuff. This is the first time we've ever been in Utah. So we're gonna check out a bunch of other things to do here in Ogden, Utah, and you can see some of the things that we do. And if you're here for the weekend, check out some of these cool things. So I'm so excited. Let's get going. We're here at the Van Expo, and the cool thing is we found out when we got here, it's free. Even better. I wonder if we're gonna decide to do a van.
Make me dance. I don't care what you do.
This was definitely the right place to come to learn about van life and van builds. We had no idea just how many different types of vans there are and how many different options were available. There's literally so many decisions that we will have to make if we decide to do a van build, from outside options to inside options. The choices go on and on and on and on. We had the opportunity to tour vans that were for sale, talk to van life folks, learn from van builders, buy merchandise, and so much more. If you're considering a van or just love looking at campers like we do and unique camping experiences, this is definitely the place to start. If you want to take a deeper look at what we found and our whole planning process while we were there, visit our channel at Be Free Benson DIY and check out the video that we did. Keep watching for more Utah videos to come. And thank you for watching.